wonderful day. Today's story is going to be based on how to cut a Bubu Caftan, which is different from other Caftan because this particular Caftan, it has hole at the waist side using 4 yards of chiffon fabric. So now I'm going to start with the measurement. So the measurements are as follows. For the length, I'm using 58 for the length. The bust, I'm using 46. The waist, I'm using 42. So that's the only measurement you need for this particular style. You need the waist, you need the length, and you need the bust. So now I'm going to fold this into 4 to start the cutting. Now this is into 4. You can see this is into 2 and this is into 4. So after this, so when you fold your fabric into 4, when you pick your measurement from here, measuring the length of the sleeve, where you want the sleeve, like this is 25. So it depends on how long you want the sleeve to be. Some people might want it to be at 70, so definitely you have to cut out the space. So using this 25 is okay by me. So now, like I said earlier, I'm going to start with the length. The length I'm using 58. So with the same allowance, this is 58. You can see it. So the fabric is, the length is 58, so no need of cutting it out. It's okay. So from this length, I'm going to measure the armhole, which is, is a Bubu. It's not normal armhole that you can just measure. So this is I'm using 9.5 for the armhole. For the armhole, I'm using 9.5. So from this armhole, take my staple up here again, measure the waist. My waist here is 16. This is my 16. Like I said earlier, I said the bust is 46. So 46 divided by 4, that will be 11.5 inches. So this is my 46. So with the same allowance of 2 inches. So to the waist, I said I'm using 44 for the waist. So I'm using 11. 45 divided by 4 give us 11. This is my 11. This is where 11 is. So the same allowance of 2 inches, like this. Then from here, when you are sewing it, you are going down like a fiat, like that. So from here, from the waist side here, like I said earlier, I said there is a hole at the waist side here. So it depends on how wide you want the hole to be. So like I'm using, so this is the middle, which is the waist side. So taking my tape, taking 2 up, you can see where the 2 is. This is 2, and taking 2 down, this is 4. So from this 4 to 2, making 4 inches. So rounding the 4 inches like this, that will be where my hole will be. So you can see the hole like this. So I'm going to cut out the hole. So this is the hole. So if you want the hole to be more bigger, you can still enlarge it. If you want it to be more bigger, it depends on how wide you want the hole to be. You can see I'm just enlarging it with some inches. So by the time I stitch it, it will be more wider than this. So you can see this is my hole. So it will be the neckline. So the wideness of my neck here, I'm using 3.5 for the wideness of the neck. The deepness of the neck for the front, I'm using 4.5, and for the back, I'll be using 2.5. This is the front and this is the back, and this is the wideness. So I'll firstly cut out the back side first. This is the back, you can see it. So then I'll open to cut out the front. So you can see the back and the front. Then I'm going to divide this side by 2. I'm dividing it into 2. So if you want the edge to be like this, you can leave it, but here I want my own edge to be a round shape. So taking my tape rule from here, measuring 10 inches. So from this 10 inches, I'm going to round it to cut this particular place away to give me a round shape at the down part. Like this. So by the time you sew it finish, you see it will curve, not that it will just be like that. So welcome back. Here's the finished work so far. You can see the 2 holes that I said is going to be at the waist side. Here is it. These are the 2 holes. This is the front, and here is the back. So with my 3 inches belt, I'm going to put at the waist side. You can decide to leave it like this. It depends on how you want it to be. And you can decide to put a belt to beautify it. So you can see this is it with the belt, and this is the back with the belt. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.